In this video, you will see how to make a vertical line in Word with keyboard. This method works on both laptop and a computer keyboard. It's very easy. Look at your keyboard. The vertical line is available here above the enter key. However, if you press this key, note that instead of a vertical line, you get the backslash. The reason is that the backslash is a primary key on your keyboard and the vertical line is the secondary key. So to type the secondary key, you will need to press and hold the shift button on your keyboard and then press the backslash key. So press the shift button and then click on the backslash. Makes a vertical line in Word quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.